Good afternoon mga ka-study buddy. Sa video ito, gagawin natin ang exercise number 3. Okay, so let's start. So bago tayo magsimula, analyze muna natin yung ating object. And setting natin sa ating object snap is make sure nyo na naka-check yung ating endpoint, center, quadrant, intersection, and yung ating object snap tracking on or yung ating F11. Okay. So this time, uunahin natin gawin yung ating big circle. Yung ating circle with a diameter of 120. Okay. So type C sa ating command line or click nyo yung ating circle dito sa ating ribbon. Then specify center point of circle. Okay. Then ang kanyang radius ay 75. Next is gawin natin ang ating diameter na 20 sa may center. Okay. So circle. Okay. So pwede nyong i-hit na lang yung space bar para hindi na kayo mag-type or mag-click yung ating circle. Space bar lang ang i-click nyo. Kung ano yung previous na command na ginamit nyo, yun yung mag-take effect. Then center point, then ang kanyang diameter ay 20, so we have a radius of 10. Next, yung ating smaller circle, so meron daw siyang distance from center point going down na 25. Okay, so see, okay. So pansinin nyo, nag-take effect yung ating object snap tracking. So ang distance ay 25. And then kanyang radius or may diameter tayo na 10. So ang radius niya ay 5. Next naman natin nagagawin ay yung part na ito, which is merong distance na 22. So line, i-hover nyo, then may distance tayo na 22. Then going down or objects on natin yung ating ortho mode, then any point, okay, then escape, then line again, then dun tayo sa may intersection, okay, ang ating first point with a distance of 35. So ito na yung gagawin natin, itong part na ito. Okay, so line with a distance of 35, then escape, then delete natin to or erase natin. Okay. Next is gagawin natin itong part na ito na merong radius na 5. Okay. So circle, then ang distance natin para mapunta tayo sa center point ay 5. Then ang kanyang radius ay 5 for our circle. Then next is gagawin naman natin itong part na ito. Okay. So line with a distance of 17. Okay. Next ay meron tayong radius na 3 distance para mapunta tayo sa center point nya, and with a radius of 3. Next, gagawin natin itong part na ito na 16 and 18 sa may left side. Ang kanyang length ng line ay 18. With 18. Okay. Next, ating 16. Then, i-connect natin siya sa ating nagawang line na 18. Then, escape. Next is, meron daw na angle na 10 between these two line. Okay? Or gap na ito. Okay? So, i-rotate natin yung ating object. So, click natin ito. Or i-select natin. Okay? Then, rotate. Then, specify base point. So, ang ating angle ay negative 10. Okay? Okay? The next is magti-trim tayo or maglilinis na tayo. So, linisin natin ito. So, after nating magawa ang part na ito, so, gagawin na natin itong 8 item na ito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, using array command or sa ating modify tool. So, play natin yung polar array. Then, select natin yung ating i-array. Okay. Then, enter. Then, specify center point of array. This point. Then, number of item is 8. Then, enter. Then, skip. Then, trim again para malinis natin. Okay. Okay. So, after nating magawa yung ating object, so, pwede na tayong mag-dimensioning. Okay. Okay. So, for our big circle with a radius or diameter. Okay. Next is okay, this is radius. So next is for linear. Okay. So this here with a 35. This here 22. And this lang dito 325. And yung ating mga align. This point. Okay. And last, our angle. Okay, so that's all our exercise number 3. So I hope natuto kayo sa paggawa ng ating object na ito using our modify tool and our object snap. So that's all. Thank you very much.